Fitbit Sense 2 Advanced Health and Fitness Smartwatch. The Fitbit Sense 2 Advanced Health and Fitness Smartwatch is a state-of-the-art wearable device designed to provide a comprehensive overview of your health and fitness. This smartwatch comes in an elegant lunar white platinum color and is available in one size that fits most, with both small and large bands included, to ensure a comfortable fit for a wide range of wrist sizes. Key features of the Fitbit Sense 2 include tools to manage stress. The Fitbit Sense 2 is equipped with advanced stress management tools. It can track your stress levels and provide recommendations to help you reduce stress, such as guided breathing exercises and mindfulness sessions. Sleep tracking and analysis. The device offers detailed sleep tracking, analyzing your sleep stages, light, deep, REM, and providing a sleep score to help you understand the quality of your rest. It also offers insights and tips to improve your sleep habits. ECG app. One of the standout features of the Fitbit Sense 2 is its ECG electrocardiogram app. This allows users to check their heart rhythm for signs of atrial fibrillation, AFib, a type of irregular heartbeat that can lead to serious health issues. SpO2 monitoring. The watch includes an SpO2 sensor, which measures your blood oxygen levels. This is particularly useful for monitoring your overall respiratory health, especially during sleep.